So to do Google Analytics review, we have to look at an account that actually has some data, so we'll find one of those. And let's pick one that has data. Okay, so we'll pick my old website. Try this one. So we're going to go audience and overview. Okay, and so this is a low traffic website. It gets about 5 visits on a good day. And we're going to go back a year. So there's been a few spikes here. So the first thing is the audience overview. And it just shows you how much traffic you've gotten over time. And you can change these time periods if you want to do comparisons, like March 1st to 31st, or March 13th, 2017 to today, 2018, and then do year over year, see what's going on. Or you can just put it in here and visually look at it. Okay, and what happens is these peaks skew a lot of data. So we can go back to September 21, 2016. Okay, SEP. It's not so skewed. Okay, so this just shows total users over the time period. New users, so almost nobody ever comes back. Page views, total page views, so 3,100. It's 1.68 pages per session, minute 7 seconds, and the bounce rate is 73%. So I'll just show you this website. So this was a site I set up to kind of specialize in a service of lead generation, so contact lists and that sort of a thing. So this is the website, and I get about a call a week from it, but I stopped doing this work because it's kind of painful, the lead generation stuff and managing people. But anyway, I keep the site open because it just provides good links back to myself and my clients, so I use it for that. So back to Google Analytics. Some important things to look at are demographics such as city. Where do most people come from on my website? So Calgary is the most common with 30%. Not set, then Toronto, Edmonton, don't know, Beijing, Vancouver, St. Catharines, Montreal. So most of it is Canadian. Okay, you can do it by country too. It's kind of basically the same thing. 61% Canadian. You can look at the browsers and different technology. So screen resolution is an important thing. So mobile use. We go operating system. Windows 62%, Macintosh 12%. So basically iOS and the Android are 16%, not too much. So mobile friendly is not so important for this website. And you can find that over here under browser or screen resolution. But acquisition is important. So overview. Organic search is, 67% is organic search. Direct is 25%. So that's people typing in the address itself, which I'm surprised it's that many. Referral is 7.3, so that's coming from other websites. So this site relies mostly on organic, then direct, and then referral. So if we do all traffic channels, okay, organic search, there's your 67%. They're spending, organic people are spending 1:22 on my site, whereas direct are only spending 33 seconds. Referral spending 42 and social spending 50. It shows of these four, organic search is the most important, right? And if I was doing Google Ads would show up here. And because I have them connected, if I didn't have them connected, it wouldn't show me a lot of information. It wouldn't show me average session duration and a few other things. So Google Ads would be here, and if Google Ads was the best one out of them all, and if the difference was so big, I would probably say, okay, less SEO after a couple of years, because I rank for a lot of stuff, and I know I rank for a lot of searches. Maybe I should spend money on ads, or vice versa. If I was spending a lot of money on ads, and a lot of my traffic was SEO, and they were performing better, maybe I don't need to spend money on ads. Maybe I should spend that money on a content writer to create more content, spend some money on a website developer or my own time to make it look better. So with this information, you can decide what's working. And over a long period, you really know what's working. right? In the first month or so, you're probably guessing and you haven't seen any seasonality in the business. So after a year, you can make some really good decisions with this data on what's working and what's not working. Let's see, so AdWords would come here, Search Console information would come here. So Search Console landing pages, so where people end up. They end up on my home page, right here, 39%. Almost, well, 9.5% go to Alberta Oilfield Service Companies. I have a directory there. It's 4 years old now, but people would pay a couple $100 for it. The golf database that I had built, there's a golf list here somewhere. That was quite popular. I sold that a few times. And so that would show here, but by and large, it's the home page, the oil page, the general business contact page, and another business contact page. If you go to behavior, it'll show that site content again, all pages in a different format.